So CMEgroup.com. Okay. I don't even think you have to have an account or even log in, but this is going to provide you information that you're going to need to know about margin, maintenance margin, contract expiries, rollovers, and things of that nature. So if you come up here, I did this a minute ago. I totally forgot how I did it. This is just the main page, by the way, just straight CMEgroup.com. This is the main page. So if you scroll down, and this is just the way that I did it. I come over here to equities, and then I click right here, E-mini S&P 500. Okay, so right up here, right under equities, it says E-mini S&P 500 futures. So I'm going to click that. And then that's going to take me, ooh, that's bright. That's going to take me to this screen, okay? Where I guess they got all this stuff. So this kind of tells you the contract highlights. So the contract unit, it's $50, you know, per point, basically, is what that means. These are going to be your trading hours. Okay, there's actually quite a bit going on in there, but you can take a look at it if you want. All right. Now, if you go, this is kind of the important part I wanted to show you. If you come up here, right, they have quotes, settlements, volume and open interest, time and sales, specs, margins, calendar. If you click on calendar, okay, this is an important screenshot. I'm going to take my camera off for 2 seconds because otherwise you're not going to be able to see it. Okay, but right here, so look at this. You have your contract month, and the product code is basically going to be your ticker. So that's the symbol basically that you're going to type into TradingView or whatever. If you have a futures broker, it's probably going to be this or similar. So like for me, for example, on TradingView, it's ESH 2024. I'm pretty sure. Right? Like if we go to ES, that symbol up here is ESH 2024. All right, you can see it over here as well. ESH 2024. Okay, so that's right here. So the settlement date is basically when that contract expires. All right, so the settlement for the March contract is going to be March 15th. Okay, we're going over CMEgroup.com, you know, when these contracts expire, what they're worth, margin requirements, you know, all that kind of good stuff. So I think the rule of thumb is the third Friday of the third month, something like that. So if we pull up this calendar, okay, the first Friday of March was the 1st, the second Friday was the 8th, the third Friday is the 15th, which is Friday of this week. That's the third Friday. So basically Monday this week is pretty much when people start switching contracts. So basically switching from the March 2024 contract over to the June 2024 contract. Now, how do you know when or if you should change over? Well, number one, for those of you that have a funded account, the company that funds your account will not let you trade anything except the front month. So which means it's basically going to either change it for you, or they're going to tell you that you can't trade this symbol and you're going to have to go to June if March is no longer the front contract. Now, how do you know if March is in front or if June is in front, right? Which contract are we supposed to be trading? So there might be a better way to do this. I'm sure there is, but the way that I've done it is I've always went to barchart.com, and you go, can you guys see that? Yeah. When you come up here, you can select a commodity, and what I typically do is scroll down to the indices, and then I just click on S&P 500 E-mini, and that's what takes you to this screen right here. Okay? Now, what you're looking for is this right here. Volume and open interest. We're not looking at cash. What we're looking at is ESH, the March contract, and then the next one, the June contract. So which one is higher in both volume and open interest? It might be hard for you to see because the numbers are really small. I'm on a 27-inch monitor, so I could see it. But basically right now, the volume is slightly lower on the March contract. The open interest is a lot larger. So I think for right now, we're on the March contract. But very soon, if not Tuesday or Wednesday, probably, this is going to change where the June contract is going to have both more volume and open interest than the March contract. So now, so with the numbers like how it is right now, I think it's fine to trade the June contract. Like I think it's fine to switch today. So CMEgroup.com, that's how you can look at the E-minis, the micros. Barchart.com, you know, that can tell you the volume and open interest a little bit. I'm sure you could probably get that on CME, but I don't navigate that website too much. So, but this is like the easiest, simplest way that I can think of to switch your contract from whatever month that you're in to the next one. Okay, so that's barchart.com. And this one is CMEgroup.com, has all your expiries, all your start date, end date, things like that. Let me even check this out real quick too, see if we got the margins up here. Yeah, the maintenance margin, trading hours, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so there's that.